Can I use a galaxy print with this room? Oh well, we're already set up, so let's go. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? Today's video has absolutely nothing to do with shoes, but this is my Real Littles backdrop, and today we're talking about Real Littles, so I'm gonna say it works. After our Real Littles shoes video, the comments were like, excuse me, Toya, you know there are Real Littles dogs, right? Actually, no, I did not know that. So me being the adult doll collector, toy enthusiast that I am, that's right folks, I'm a grown-up who likes toys. So I did a little online search and bam! Real Littles Cutie carries. It's a pet carrier bag with a pet. This is the pet roller case and bag. It was $22.99, but the scale for the bags is definitely too big for our 1/6 scale dollhouse. So I kept shopping and found this, a Cutie Carries triple pack. It was on Amazon for about $29. Here we get 3 pets and 3 bags. Then I was thinking, what if you just want one? Then I found this collectible micro puppy carrier with 1 micro puppy for $9.99. But I didn't pay attention to this part. Styles may vary. I was totally expecting this little pup, but no, I got this one. An adorable little French bulldog. The only problem is, it's the same dog that came in the triple pack. A problem that you would only run across online because you can see the dog in the package. I'm looking at the pet roller case and bag first. According to the box, the pet is posable and comes with over 10 surprises, like stuff to dress up the pup. These are tiny flip-flops and we have a little visor. The roller case is probably a decent size for like an 18-inch doll, being a little under 7 inches. The handle is retractable, the case is plastic, the wheels really spin, the little lock is just for show. We can open this up. Inside, we have a little clothes rack and some compartments. There's also a little bag, and inside we have a luggage tag, a plastic leash, tiny little hangers to go on the rack, and a few stickers. Here is a little pet carrier. It has some air holes in the top, and inside we have a few fashion items for the pup and a pair of sunglasses. And here's the pup. I want to say it's a pug. It has a little curly tail. It's wearing a skirt that is removable. Has a little shark fin that is that removable? Yep. And it has on a little shirt that I think is removable as well. Its face is painted. We have some shading on the back there, and it is posable. Yeah, okay, so we can move that leg, we can move that leg, we can move that leg, and that leg as well. Yeah, okay. So the legs move, that's great, and the head moves as well. So yeah, it's posable. There are holes in 2 of the paws. Here's the leash. Can we just fit that around the head, or do we have to unbuckle it? We might have to unlatch it, and then we can get it onto the dog. Yay! I did it! The leash is kind of stiff. I'm concerned that it might make the dog move if I was trying to keep it in a position. Or not, I could be wrong. The leash appears to be open, so maybe I can just put this on my doll's wrist. And yeah, it works with our dolls. It's about the size I think a pug would be to a human. I do feel like I'm going to break this little collar over time, but overall, pretty happy. And since the pup is posable, we can make it sit, gimme paw. Good boy. Okay, not bad. And since it comes with clothes, our dolls can be one of those pet owners that dress up their fur babies. It takes pictures of them for the gram. This totally was going to be me, but Bowie wasn't having it. Here's our second look. We can go with just a bandana or add the visor and store the clothes on the little clothing rack or in the carrier. Let's look at that 3-pack. This is the French Bulldog. It comes in a black bag. It has a little window with the chain and some charms. On the back, it's solid, and we got some handles here. I think this will look really good with like an 18-inch doll or even a smart doll. I have a purple leash, and it's good to know the leashes come in different colors. And then we have a little D-ring. We can easily see the dog through the packaging. The surprise here is the fashion that is inside. So we can see something that it's wearing, but there's supposed to be more fashion. Wait, that's not it. Oh, my bad. I think that is the surprise part. We're supposed to lift this little door to see our surprise. Here I have like a necklace or a collar. This looks like a stand. It has little foot pegs that we can remove or leave in the bag. It's just held in place with a few stitches. So I guess this is my surprise. I was expecting more like fabric fashion, but I guess a collar is fashion for a dog. The dog does come wearing some fabric fashion. We also have a little hip bag here. It fastens on the side. Some sunglasses, which I think are really, really cute. I have a pair like these in my size, so that's pretty cool. I do have some light staining on my little hip bag here from that, so be careful and be aware. We can take this off. Let's see if the pup is okay. Oh no! We do have a little transfer, but I guess we can just say our little dog is spotted, right? Wait, we do have a second dog, so we can see if it's just this one or might it be a reoccurring thing. My surprise was another silver collar, but let's check out the pup. First, we're going to remove the little belt, and it looks good. Let's remove the little outfit and see if we have any staining. And no, all right, this one is good. So my doubles ended up being slightly different after all. The edges of this garment are cut and it is unraveling just a little. And here's the necklace on the pups. In this fluffy bag, we have a Yorkshire Terrier. It has little pink charms, a pink leash, and a D-ring. Let's free the pup and see what the surprise is. Okay. It's a little bow. The dog comes wearing a little animal print outfit. We do have raw edges right here, but the edge of the skirt looks hemmed, and it is a separate piece, so that's pretty good. We get two pieces here, little shirt and a skirt. There we go. Without them, we have some coloring on the back. This one's pretty cute, in my opinion. I just realized the head can look up and down a little. You see that movement there? Can we tilt to the side? Like Bowie does? Kind of. Okay, can the other ones do that? Here's the pug. Oh yeah, it can move a little. And here's the bulldog, or the French bulldog. There we go. Let's try on the bow. I think it goes on the ear. Oh, it's actually kind of cute. I do wish the edges on the top were hemmed, but for the most part, the skirt looks pretty good. Here is Barbie's dog, Honey, for a little size comparison, but the Cutie Carrie's pup is posable, so sorry, Honey. Although I do think the ribbon and tag look better, but I can't really remove it without cutting it. Last but not least, we have the Chihuahua. Looking at this, all I can think is Paris Hilton. I like the bag, it's shiny. I'm not too worried about staining. Our little surprise is a little pink hip bag, and there's a little texture on it and a little painted gold ring. The pup is wearing a tutu with a silver elastic around the waist, a little plaid top, and a pink plastic beret. Here's the little face. It is too cute. It's actually pretty easy to pull their little heads off, in case you want to make your own little designer pups. That could be a thing. I can't decide which one is my favorite. I'm loving the color palette here. Can we swap clothes? Well, I was able to get the plaid top on, but it is stretching on the side since it's not hemmed. Still can't decide. But the skirt is cute. It looks like not all the clothing pieces and accessories are compatible. The Chihuahua can't really wear the glasses. Just something to keep in mind if that matters to you. There are 6 different pups, and I'm gonna keep an eye out for that Corgi. I think I'm going to use one of these 2 in my 1/6 scale world. Let us know which one is your fave in the comments down below. Deanna Troy or Beverly Crusher? Speaking of pets, here is Barbie Extra, doll 16, 17, and 18, giving us smiley faces, stars, and hearts. This is doll 16. She has simple natural makeup, but it is a little pixelated. She has platinum blonde hair with blue in the back, styled with the front in a top knot. She has gold colored earrings, necklaces, bracelet, and a ring. She comes with a blue bandana outfit, which is the main reason I was interested in this doll. Barbie Extra fashion packs with full outfits would be amazing. Just throwing that out there. We get an orange purse. We have seen this design before. Blue heels and gold colored sunglasses. The jacket has this fun shape. It has oversized puffy sleeves. It gathers around the bottom. We can see faux white buttons. Ooh, it's lined on the inside. And the shirt is super cute. It's a ribbed shirt, has a little tie at the bottom. It's gathered right here. It is long sleeve. It looks like a nice basic to have in our doll wardrobe. The skirt has different panels, 2 little slits on the sides, and faux white buttons. She comes with a little dog. It looks like a Chihuahua with glasses that say Pets Rule, and a little treadmill. Personally, I'm not a fan of the pets. I do wish they were a little more realistic looking, and instead of this, I would have liked to have seen a new purse design. But that's just my personal opinion. These dolls are articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. But since they're not made to move, I kinda just take their clothes. Okay then, Poppy. The skirt is a little large on my Poppy Parker doll, but I think she looks great. Doll number 17 on the scene. She has a pink plastic headband, which is actually kind of cute. Loving the black sunglasses. She has silver hoops, silver and gold necklaces, a cluster bracelet, a cake purse that says Barbie Extra on the back. She comes with a coffee cup, pink heels. This doll has the June face sculpt. She is pixelated. She has long burgundy hair styled in 2 braids. She wears a blue and black fur coat. It's lined on the inside. It is held in place with some plastic stays. She wears a pink shirt underneath and blue and black animal print pants with a pink ribbon stripe. She comes with a dog with a pink metallic collar. Everything is a little large on a rainbow high doll. This is the doll I named Rue, one of our new additions to the shelf. Fabulous. Here is doll number 18, wearing a sporty look. This doll comes with black sunglasses, silver earrings, has long purple crimped hair. Her face screening isn't that bad. Out of the 3, I would say this is the cleanest. She comes with silver necklaces, a whistle, a watch and bracelet. This is a curvy Barbie. She wears an oversized black and white hoodie with a working zipper. It looks great on the guys. She wears an oversized green jersey with silver sleeves, lavender socks with white shoes, a white and lavender bag. She comes with a brown dog with yellow sunglasses and a surfboard. When it comes to the fashion, I think we are getting a few good pieces here. I love this outfit, but those pets. If it's Barbie Extra Pets versus real little pets, who would win? I guess we're gonna have to do a little more research, to be thorough. Thanks to a tip on Instagram from Stovall the Doll, I found the Corgi. It was at Walmart for $9.97. Loving the Frozen theme here. It has a little molded hat, a little scarf with a loop. We can remove it. A little blue jacket with a fur collar. I like the little quilted pattern here. The edges feel burned, so it might not unravel. Look at the little short legs. We have a blue leash, which I'm happy to see a different type of color. The bag has a chain with some little snow charms, and we have a surprise. Ooh, a little white fur skirt. Now that's a fun fashion accessory. This is the Cavoodle. Am I saying that right? We have a mint green leash, pink charms. The pup is wearing a little sheer skirt, a fur coat, and some heart glasses. Oh, and its face is stinking cute. Our surprise is a little bow on a clear elastic. It is not sewn in, so you do want to be careful because you can pull that out. Here's a dachshund with a pink leash, and they knew we were going to use these with our dolls. Look, there's a little doll hand right there. We have a pink glitter bag with some pink charms. Our surprise is a little bag. The dog has a sporty look with a little pink baseball cap, a jersey with a hood, little white ribbon detail right there. Oh wait, that's printed. And some sneakers. Personally, I love that they're posable. With the suitcase, we have 7 different dogs. So let us know which one is your favorite in the comments down below. And now I have 4 different dogs that I really like. How do I choose? Deanna Troy, Beverly Crusher, Jordy the Corgi, and Luoxana, unless by chance they decide to make a Chinese crested. But for me, the real littles definitely take the cake when compared to the Barbie Extra Pets. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at real little cutie carries and new Barbie Extra Dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!